Lagos Road. Benin Lagos Road. We are here in Ondo State. We are being robbed by Fulani herdsmen. As you can see, this is me, Comrade Bryce Bade. I don't like what is happening in Nigeria. I don't like what is happening in Ondo State. We are just being robbed. I am a copper. I'm serving by Extra State. I'm just going to Lagos to go and see my auntie who just put to bed. Right now, as you can see, the whole place is messed up. Some group of policemen came to this place trying to rescue us, but they're not doing anything. They're just afraid. Now, I want the federal government to look into this, to check into this. We have been robbed by Fulani herdsmen. We have been robbed by Fulani herdsmen. We have been robbed by Fulani herdsmen. Yes. So a group of policemen come to this place. Commissioner of police come to this place. The commissioner of police did not do anything. I want the federal government to know that yes, they are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. I am going to Louis Ede tomorrow morning to go and report the commissioner of police. I swear to God Almighty, I will do this. I will do this. I will do this. I will petition the commissioner of police on the state. I swear to God Almighty. I will swear to God Almighty. I will petition the commissioner of police on the state. Aga, no pen. No pen. I said no pen. Remember. Buta. We'll slap anybody. Aga, we'll slap anybody slapping before here. Look at them. Look at them. Oof. Look at what they are doing. Nonsense. Nonsense, Nigeria. Nonsense, Nigeria. It is a cookers. It is a cookers. I am aware. Listen. I told the commissioner of police who have killed people in this state. I told him I will petition him. But I will petition the commissioner of police. I swear to God Almighty. I swear to God Almighty. I will petition the commissioner of police on this state. You, don't worry. Don't worry. I swear to God, this state, I am coming back. I am coming back for you. Buhari. Sir, please talk. You are the driver, I want you to talk. What happened? You are working with Yare Moto. I'll be driver for Yari. Thank you, sir. I don't even have any. Sir, please, sir, please. Sir. I get almost 200,000 naira. Take, sir. This video is going to the general police. Please, I want you to talk. How much do they collect from you?
They collect more than 200,000 from me that I gave to them. Plus my Swedish international passport and my Nigerian international passport.
Yes.
They got everything. Two of my telephone, two of my Android telephone that I bought when I was coming back to Nigeria. They collected everything. What I want now is just my passport to travel back. I'm not worried about the money. If I can just get my passport, I am done.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Auntie, what did they collect from you? Don't worry. Auntie, they collect anything from you? Yeah, what did they collect from you? Your bag? Yeah. You're still with your phone, ba? Alright. Buta, they collect anything from you?
Well, bro, you don't carry any money now. What you don't carry again?
Thank you.
The money they carry, all that fuck up. Look at the open ship on ground. Commissioner of police of Nana fat down. All of you are fat.
I will petition the commissioner of police on this state. I swear. Focus station.